Right, we got a double hookup on the mackerel. Keep reeling.
Aim over to the left, Bubba. Keep them as far to the left as you can. You want to separate these two. If they tangle or cross each other, we're going to have problems. So try to keep them separated.
Right, keep reeling, little man. It's Thames?
Thames.
Thames, okay.
Think of like James, but
Thames, yeah, my son's James.
Okay, there you go.
That should be easy enough. Ooh.
Bud, cut your eyes back.
Okay, your fish is starting to come towards his, but you're doing fine right now. We won't move it yet. Double hookup. The mackerel kids.
You got it, Bob.
Yeah, just keep reeling. Oh, we must have went through a school of them things.
They hit quick and fast, both of them.
There you
Sound
go.
like tip up, baby.
Woo! Boat up. All right.
My favorite sound in the world.
Heck yeah, it is.
All right, James, walk him up, baby. You gotta
Man,
walk
I'm
him.
busy,
Walk-
Jake.
Oh, look at that.
Nice
Hey,
fish. I gotta get to him though. Okay,
baby,
try.
you go.
You gotta go all the way to the front.
Keep walking him and reeling him.
Okay, you gotta bring him to me though. Just bring him this way. You're doing great. I'm fixing to get this fish. Oh shoot.
Yeah, he's got one.
Yeah,
Right
I'm
up
trying to
your
get
close.
him. Okay, reel on him one more time.
Huh?
That's good. Oh, stop right there. Got him. Okay, and we're gonna open that cooler.